Baby skin is the most coveted skin the world over. Bouncy to the touch, plump, kissable, it's skin at its absolute best. But what makes baby skin like that? Collagen, which is the key to this glorious texture, makes up 80% of your skin. There are two types of collagen, collagen 1 and collagen 3, that are both equally important. Collagen 3 provides a framework that collagen 1 binds to. They work together to make your skin bouncy and taut. But as we go through childhood, we start to lose our collagen 3, and you lose that optimum collagen balance. Then, at around age 25, your total collagen starts decreasing as well. Now, Avon's new breakthrough patented ingredient, Protinol, works to restore both types of collagen, bringing them closer to that optimal ratio found in baby skin. This new superhero ingredient can restore 7 years of collagen loss in just 7 days. This breakthrough in skincare has been independently tested and is truly an industry first. The result is your best skin in years, moving closer to how your skin functioned as a baby. Your skin reborn.